Hey YouTube guys, Mr. Stoney here. Went into a doctor yesterday, appointment, and there again I made it from the car to the building, and then they noticed I was in trouble, so they jumped and grabbed a chair, kept me from falling down, and blah 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 blah. Anyway, they wheeled me back there. They took blood from me twice, and they don't know what to say basically. But anyway, so now I'm going in for MRIs to get more MRIs done. But on a better note, I stayed in bed from like 8 last night till noon today, and decided I'm gonna live. So came out here to the garage, and I ran across these dust cover. I seen them hanging on the wall and thought those must go in the old truck. So I sat here on the stool and took the rotors off, and yeah, they fit on this truck. So I've got the caliper off. While I've got it off, I got some kind of stuff that one guy I know gave me for manifolds, some kind of paint from POR 15, but it's for manifolds. But I'm going to paint it on those things before I put them back on. So I guess I just wanted to throw out another update, and still haven't done anything to the motor mounts yet. I'm looking for some help on that, but mess with this for a few minutes and then sit in my camping chair and relax, and then work on it some more. That's how it gets there, right? It won't do anything just sitting like it has all these years. I have to be consistent regardless of how I feel, and if I'm going to drive it in my lifetime, just going to have to be doing it. Today's our last day of warm weather. From weather forecast says drops into the 40s tomorrow and all the rest of next week, so that's not good. Okay, I'll quit rambling. Have a good one.